Hello, my name is Kyle. I'm an engineering manager at RapDev.
I'm Eric Ledyard. I'm the roadmapper here at RapDev. I'm responsible for helping clients map out their short, medium, and long-term goals to achieve the objectives that they're seeking.
One of the risks or concerns that most customers have is sending information across to a large language model like OpenAI that really should be kept inside of the enterprise network. We have solutioned some options for customers to keep the information behind their firewall, right?
So the answer is really to just build a privatized instance. And that's what we were doing for a lot of our clients, was basically taking it, as it's pretty easy to do because OpenAI built all of GenAI, all of their ChatGPT containers in Microsoft Azure. So to build your own privatized instance, it's a matter of just taking an Azure instance, moving the containers in there, locking it down from a networking perspective, and allowing all of your applications internally to talk through an API gateway to your own privatized version of GPT-4, 3.5, whatever, or any other LLM that we would run privately in a cloud environment.
So it's not just about what's available in Azure and using their predefined processes and templates, data structures to train models. We also have solutioned private Llama 2 instances and StarCoder setups to build out vector stores of information. Any structure, could be raw text or CSV, JSON, doesn't matter, using a system like Ray to distribute training across multiple GPUs, get that information into a private database. And then the trick is applying it to a useful use case. Like what we've done for customers is getting incident recommendations or troubleshooting tips for incidents, integrating that directly into ChatOps so that users can communicate with the AI through Slack or Teams and get that information directly onto the ticket.
In a modern ops world, the most critical thing is mean time to recover, mean time to repair. And so what I like to say is that you guys have provided me as an SRE a 6 to 8 hour head start on solving a problem. Because when I get that chat notice now, I see this is the incident, this is what it's impacting. And oh, by the way, here's what we saw in all the logs, all the observability data, all the traces, the synthetics. It really looks like it's this problem, go fix this. And that's a huge time saver as an SRE, because now I not only am getting told for the first time that something's wrong, I'm getting told this is probably what it is and this is how you should go look at it first, which is awesome for the end-to-end value stream of lowering downtime and increasing and protecting revenue streams and everything else that we can do for them.
We created Digi, which is a developer co-pilot experience directly on the platform. And we know ServiceNow is creating their own version of that to assist developers to write code more efficiently. The difference is that the solution we built and put together is open source. And so we're inviting the community to contribute to that project. So another concept we came up with was actions. So whether the user is a developer or somebody in ops, we wanted to give Digi the ability to provide users with something they can change in the environment. So hard-coded, create an object in ServiceNow, or accept an input to run an automation somewhere in the environment with a target instance or something of that nature, just to help with the troubleshooting that goes on when issues arise in the environment. Once it's aware of what you have to deal with, the actions become more relevant, more accurate, and can keep the environment healthy.
We can use any LLM that the client needs to or wants to, or multiple LLMs. You and I have been talking about that, about increasing accuracy by comparing results from different LLMs that are very similar, and then taking those answers and, culminating them into a single response. But I think that really represents the future. And one of the reasons I love Digi is that it's open to using any model that's out there, including ServiceNow's Hugging Face StarCoder model. Everything that's been built here, including Digi, was for engineers by engineers. So what I love is you guys adopted GenAI early. You didn't see it as a threat. You didn't see it as working. You saw it as an extra pair of hands that could help you do your job better. So you built something that had tangible, realizable value and outcomes that are driven to help you do your job. And that's one of the things that I hope if anybody watching this video takes away is that this isn't hypothetical. This is something we use every day to make the products and systems that we integrate better together. We are actually achieving lower MTTRs because of this. We're actually driving value for clients. And it's not about some hypothetical big bang, change your entire operating and org structure. It's about, hey, you can adopt this thing right now and do some pretty cool stuff. And is it all figured out? No. But the cool thing about an open framework that can attach to any model that can do all of these actions is that we can grow with the industry. And I think that's incredible.